Hi, welcome again to this video. And this video is gonna be a short video. It's gonna be about this battery charger here. You can see it's called Start-Maxx battery charger and maintainer. And this is a car battery charger. And you can see if you read the box, it can tell you charges and maintains more 6-volt and 12-volt automotive and marine batteries, and it has a charge rate, 3A charge rate. You can Google that and see what that means. You can see you can charge all these kind of lawnmower, motorcycles, scooters, cars, vans, pickup trucks, all kind of batteries as long as they're 6-volt or 12-volt. And you can see the box. It came with this box, and basically a review. And shortly, I'm going to show you how it works. So you can see. I'm just doing an overview of the box, so you can see all the information they have there. Okay, tough, durable housing. I'll show you what that means. Clamps, mounting brackets to mount. You can mount it if you want to mount it. So you can see. Actually, I'm making this video because this is a very nice battery charger. It comes with instructions of how to use it, and I'm going to show you here. I'm charging a vehicle here, a battery here. It's in a vehicle. So basically that's how it looks from the box. You can see it's blinking. See that green light there blinking? That means it's charging. So how it works, you see you have to connect it to our power source. So I've plugged it in an extension cord. Then I plugged in the extension cord in the wall. You can see, because it can't reach where I parked the vehicle, but you can use an extension cord. You plug it in, and then I come here. It has a switch here that if you're charging a 6-volt battery, you switch it to the left, and if it's a right, 12-volt. And most car batteries are 12-volt. So I'm charging a vehicle battery, which is dead. So you can see it's recommended you put it on a flat surface. So I'm putting it on the ground, and you'll see. You come here, you see how I connected it. See, I connected the negative. Connect the negative and the positive. You know, red is positive, black is negative, and it's gonna keep charging until that green light here, stops blinking. It will become solid. So when that green light becomes solid green, the battery charge is full. So it's a very convenient tool to have to jump or start your car. It's mainly a charger, you know. But if your car stays for a while without being driven, or if you have dead batteries around, it's a very convenient thing to have, especially in the cold season. So I just made this short video to show you and recommend this. It's not expensive, it's affordable, this battery charger here. Let me know what you think about this charger, this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Let me know what I think, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And you're also welcome to check our other videos, in this channel. Hope you have a nice day. Okay, bye.